Hi guys! Today we're going to draw Ladybug. You'll need oil pastel, watercolor, paper towel, watercolor brush, watercolor paper. Ladybugs are tiny, but we are going to draw it big. I'm sketching it with oil pastel, but if you want, you can use color pencil or pencil. Just do not use black markers or black oil pastel to sketch. We don't want to make this too cartoonish or flat looking. Ladybugs and most insects have 3 body parts. They have a head, thorax, and abdomen. And they have 6 legs. Right now, from where we're looking at it, we're going to draw maybe 4 legs. So this leg is going to be on the other side, and the other 2 we won't see because of this perspective. And let's add some spots. And let's draw the leaf. It's sitting on the leaf. The leaf has to be big. Look at the ladybug size. It's huge. The leaf has to be bigger than this. I'm going to use all these colors on Ladybug. Let's start with yellow. I know ladybugs are usually red and black spots, but I'm going to use yellow for the highlights. Let's make the yellow fade to orange to red. This is darker red. Let's add some shadows. Let's make sure to show the center and add some black spots. This is going to be Ladybug's eye over here. Did you know that they have special compound eyes so they can see in many directions at once? This is dark blue. I'm going to use dark blue to blend that black. And for the legs, let's start with gray. I was just curious what ladybug meaning and symbol is. In Google, ladybugs are generally associated with good fortune and good luck. They bring with them a sense of future prosperity. Their bright and colorful look, along with their happy so lucky travel means living life without boundaries. I thought that was too cute. Wanted to share with you guys. Alright, let's finish the legs. And some highlights with white. I'm going to use all these green tones for the leaf. It's a big leaf. With dark green, let's add some ladybug's shadow. I'm going too fast, you can always pause and play it again. Let's use watercolor for the background. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you liked it. Please press that like button and subscribe so we could do this every week. I upload every Tuesday and Thursday. See you next time. Bye!